That's big. Oh wow!
That is the best bit of squid I've ever had. Right, welcome back to another vlog. We are in Busselton today and we are going to head down to the jetty. It's 1.8 kilometres long and it is the longest wooden jetty in the southern hemisphere. I've got that right first take. So we're going to head down the jetty now. I'm going to bring some snorkeling gear, bring some fishing rods, have a good walk up there, hopefully do a little catch and cook later, and yeah, see what we're going to get up to. So bring you with us, and that is the plan. They've got an underwater observatory there as well, so we hopefully can see some cool fish underneath. I know that dolphins have been spotted here recently, and I also know that a lot of whales have been spotted here recently, so if we can catch some of them on film, that'd be great. But yeah, take you with us, see what you think, and yeah, this will be a cool Busselton jetty vlog. I literally got everything and the kitchen sink on me today. Water, all the fishing gear, got a little rod, drone, got all eventualities. There's apparently a lot of dolphins here, so I can't wait to try and see them. And the people that we just spoke to, they was actually from, were they from the Midlands or something like that?
One was from Liverpool, two from Swindon.
Oh right, yeah, so up north basically. And yeah, they were saying about the whales here, and apparently they do visit the jetty fairly often, so hopefully we can get them on film. But yeah, show you the jetty. Goes from there all the way out. Unreal. I know they have some sort of train that goes up and down, but I don't know how much it costs. So we'll find that out, but fancy a nice walk in the sun today. It's the first bit of good weather we've had in maybe 4 days, 5 days. It's actually been a bit overcast, a bit rainy. At night it's really pissed it down, so it's nice to know that the sun is shining. We're in Busselton, hopefully catch a lovely squid, and yeah, we can have fruit de mar later, pasta, it'll be lovely. Yeah, we'll see. Lovely place so far, really good vibe, and we're staying here for 3 nights, so we've got plenty of time to explore the jetty, explore Busselton town, and also head down to Dunsborough, which I'm very excited for. It's a lovely quaint town just south of here, so yeah, take you up and down the jetty, hopefully catch something. Yeah, we'll catch you when we're on there. Alright, we are on the jetty. It costs $5 each to get on, which is cheap. It's nothing really, is it's £2.50. And yeah, we're going to start walking up. There was a guy that was actually diving here. He had a full like Cressy wetsuit on and all that, and he said that there's some box fish, or fishes related to box fish. There's loads of different like tropical fish out, loads of different wrasse and that sort of stuff. So cowfish, which is related to rockfish, or stonefish, you might have said, the ones that can poison you. He said don't touch them. But yeah, quite a few bits that we're looking forward to seeing. So hopefully we can either go and do a bit of snorkeling or try and catch some of these cool fish. We've got plenty of lures on us. So yeah, maybe Liv can catch a stonefish. You can unhook that one if you want. Okay. It's longer than I thought. Look at that. So you can take the train up. Do you know how much the train was coming up? I think it's not cheap. I think it might be like $30 or something like that. But all of that money is actually put. I know it does seem a lot for just a train ride up, but yeah, it's that's like a bit of a donation to go towards maintaining the jetty. But as we're walking up, you can see so much squid ink all over the place. So people definitely catch squid on here, and I know that the jetty lights up at night, so I actually think that they're probably attracted to the light at night, and then that's when the majority of people catch them. But you can see like all of the seaweed and the reef, everything like that. And look, there's a little school of fish just down there. I don't know whether you can see that. But yeah, pretty cool place so far. And the water does go very deep very quickly. That must be like 15 metres deep. That must be like the old jetty, Liv.
It's like a skeleton jetty or something.
Oh yeah, it must be that one then.
Yeah.
So the jetty was built in 1865, mainly for timber trade. And yeah, that's all I really know about the jetty. That's fucking pointless facts, isn't it? Right, so we're just going to rig up now. Just going to try and catch a squid. Don't really know what we're doing. And we've left all of the leader material in the other bag, which isn't ideal. Right, so we have found the leader. So what we've done, just put a short section of 25-pound fluorocarbon leader, just put a little quick link on there as well, just so then we could take our lure quickly on and off if we wanted to change colours or we wanted to go and fish for different species rather than squid. And yeah, then we've got the nice squid lure on there as well. It's got some nice feathers hanging out, loads of nice sharp hooks, so give it a few casts up and down the jetty. If we can catch one, we catch one. If we don't, we'll be back either tomorrow or I don't even know what day of the week it is, or the next day to try and catch one in the morning. It's Wednesday today? Yeah, either tomorrow, Thursday or Friday to go and catch one. So yeah, let's give it a go.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. So this is a big dog, man.
Mate, look at that.
That is huge.
That is huge.
Fucking head.
Fucking hell.
Oh my god.
Look at the size of that.
Wow.
Jesus.
I know, that's my biggest.
How big is that? 32 did you say?
35.
35. Right, so a quick change of lure. We've just gone for a slightly heavier one. That guy caught an absolute donkey of a squid. Look, you see all of that? Even Liv's spotting it. Well done, babe. Do you think that looks fresh? Alright, well look, we'll have a little flick here, shall we?
God, that's so close to my face.
Oh my god, big wind knot. Oh, I used to hate sorting these out. When I was a guide, we used to get these all the time with no braid and braid that wasn't spooled properly, and that's exactly what I didn't do this morning. There's no squid in Busselton.
Is that still recording?
Yeah. Right, we've got to the end of the jetty. We are 1.84 kilometres out into the sea. We are 14,518 kilometres away from London. Look at that. Still gin clear. See some monster fish down there in the deep. Look at that. Big whales. Right, then we've got a squid on, and it is literally attached by one tentacle. Oh, I hope we can get this up. Right, mind out the way, Liv, I'm going to swing him up.
He said do it slowly, didn't he? Wow, that's big. Oh wow!
Yes, we got a squid, boys!
Oh wow!
Right, look, try to splash it quick. Look, caught a squid. Sick!
I need to FaceTime your brother.
Hold on, no, I'm just going to quickly wash him.
It's beautiful. It's amazing. It's part of an animal.
Oh wow!
Look, so this.
So now it's
I think they call it the feather or the bill, I'm not too sure.
many chefs take it away. It's
But
more beautiful.
you can't have it down the sink, so. Yeah, now I've seen some chefs and some people when they catch squid, if you just come in here, just have a look at the squid there. They just use the back of their knife and they just scrape that skin off. So I'm not saying take my advice, as this may not be the way that people typically do it, but I've seen quite a few people just use the back of their knife to go and do this job. Like this, and he turned the whole squid inside out. Just give it a go, like this, to clean all of the insides. So look, turn them inside out, like so, and then we can just clean all of the innards out as well. We've now got a beautiful clean squid tube. Got the wings. That is going to make a delicious meal later, so let's go and get back to the van, keep her in the fridge, keep her nice and cool, do a little cook up later on tonight. Right, well that was quality. I am so happy we've gone and caught a squid, because that was the #1 objective of today. Go to Busselton Jetty and go and catch a squid for a catch and cook later. So our first catch and cook video is happening. Right, so we're back at camp now, and I'm going to do a crispy breadcrumbed calamari. So first of all, we need to go and turn the pan on. Just put some canola oil in there. Canola oil's got quite high burning temperature, so we should be all good to go. Now, if you come in here, Liv, have a look at this. So we've got the 2 wings. Need to take off a little bit of that skin, so we just need them all to be similar sizes. So what we're going to do with these, just do them in strips like this. We've got loads of beautiful squid rings. What we are going to do, just to test the oil, we're just going to get one of these end pieces and just drop it in the oil. Oh yeah, nice, they're cooking very, very well. We've got some breadcrumbs from Aldi, just going to go and put them in a bowl. And then to the breadcrumbs, we're going to add some salt, some garlic powder, not too much, some onion powder, and then a few little chili flakes as well. And then we've got a single egg in there, and this is what we're going to use to go and use as our binder. And again, we probably should season that as well, just a little bit of salt, just so then the whole recipe is, whole bit of squid is lovely and seasoned. See how this little bit's getting on. So I reckon this is only going to need around 90 seconds. I don't think it's going to need much more than that. So put the wings in first. It's now going to be in my wet hand. Put it into the dry stuff. Beautiful. You need to wash your hands quick. I'll quickly go and do that at the tap. Right, just going to drop this first lot in now. If you come closer. And lay it away. The next one's ready to go in. Beautiful, beautiful fried squid. So that hasn't had long, that's probably had about 45 to 50 seconds, and I think that is actually going to be enough for this, because once it's rested, it should cook all the way through. Onto the paper towel. Right, and now with the squid rings, we might have to do this in 2 batches. These are going to need slightly longer than the wings because they are tubes and they're slightly thicker. Some beautiful breaded calamari. Right, we have done it. We have gone to Busselton Jetty, we have gone and caught a squid, we've gone and cleaned it, cooked it, and now time to eat the fruits of our labour. So look at that. Beautiful, crispy squid in bread, cooked in canola oil at a very high temperature. Let's give it a go. Try the wing first. That is the best bit of squid I've ever had. Now we're going to go for one of the wings, one of the rings. Bit of mayonnaise. Liv, you're going to love that. Unreal. That is 10 out of 10. Not chewy in the slightest. Doesn't taste fishy. Crispy calamari, crispy squid. You cannot beat it. This is one of the bucket list things I wanted to do coming to Australia. I wanted to catch and cook my own squid, and we have done it. First time of asking, first time of going squid fishing. We've done it off of Busselton Jetty. Happy days and thank you, Busselton. Right, that'll be it for today's vlog. So we've visited Busselton Jetty, we've caught a squid, we've done a beautiful cook up, and yeah, a lovely feed for this evening. If you have enjoyed the video and you are interested in more catching cooks, subscribe to their channel, like the video, and comment down below where you want us to visit on the southwest coast. I'm on my way back to the jetty now. We're going to go and catch a few more squid this evening, and yeah, hopefully stock up the freezer for a few more cook ups. But yeah, see you guys on the next one. That'll do.